There are three things that we're never taught in medical school about hand pain. This is Dr. Levi, the gamers and esports doctor. Number one, we're definitely not taught that you're going to have to work with gamers and esports athletes who have a lot of pain. Secondly, we're not told that sedentary work can also cause a lot of wrist and hand pain. And thirdly, we're often not taught that after an injury, everyone should really go in a moderate rate of getting healthy again. So if you have an injury to your hands or your wrists, it's important that you return to your work, but do it in a modified way, meaning that you don't overactivate whatever that injury was. You want it to heal completely. And then the other thing is working with gamers. I'm really so fortunate to work with gamers and esports athletes because they use their hands, their wrists, their elbows, their shoulders, their neck. Everything is used to actually accomplish what they want to do by using a gaming controller or a joystick or using their phones even, or using the keypad for their computers. So it's important for me as a hand surgeon to be aware of this demographic that's often forgotten and not really treated properly. So I hope this helps. For me in medical school, those things those things that weren't taught to me, I should say, I was able to learn that knowledge by working with these other types of athletes and different types of patients. This is Dr. Levi. See you soon. I hope this helps. Bye.